Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kenneth Benjamin, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to determine what a website is built on, the tools that's being used to build the website, the technologies and all of that good stuff. Okay, so the tool I use basically is called builtwith.com. So if you log on to builtwith.com, it will bring up this particular page and you will see a big search box here. And let's say for instance this is a website I built. Okay, so and this website someone might be curious to know what this website was built on. Okay, and the easiest way to determine that is to go onto a site like builtwith and enter the URL of this particular website. Let's say for instance you enter it here, pets to tech, and then you look it up. So what this website does is it goes out to that particular URL and looks through, scan through the code and everything to bring up information about, let's say, analytics, the widget used on the website. You can also see the e-commerce platform which this website is built upon, which is Shopify. So, and also the Shopify apps that are used to build this website. So web designers can actually go on to spy the back end of things, spy the back end of a particular website to see what tools that were used to build such a site. Let's say they want to achieve a particular aim, or maybe they see something they are familiar with, but the way it works is different from the one they know. So they actually want to spy on that website to see what tool was actually used to achieve that. So builtwith.com can be used for such purposes, and you can see it gives me pretty much information about almost everything in terms of technology. Like you can see here, the content delivery network I use, which is Cloudflare, that serves images from a particular location to the user's browser instead of having the user download all these images and the rest of them to their computer, so that next time they visit the website loads faster and images get served dynamically. Alright, so that's that for the pets2tech.com, this particular website here. I actually built this website for a client who is based in France, so it's still in progress as we speak, so I'm not done with the website yet. So we're going to test another website, which is my own personal website. So this is the homepage you see once you go to my website. It's kennethben.com, and I actually built this website on WordPress. Okay, so I use WordPress, Shopify, Magento, OpenCarts, you name it, all possible CMSs. So, but the most popular CMS is the WordPress CMS. So it hosts a higher percentage of websites on the web are being hosted with WordPress, and that is what I use basically. Okay, so if you are confused what CMS is, CMS means Content Management System. You can look that up in your spare time. Okay, so to verify that this is Shopify, I'm going to go back to builtwith, and I'll scroll back up, and in the search box here I'll enter Kenneth, then we'll look it up. So apart from determining the platform or the CMS used in building this site, if it's not a CMS, you'll also see the particular programming language used, the framework, let's say PHP or Laravel framework, CodeIgniter, and all those good stuff. Okay, so you can see here I'm using Facebook Pixel for conversion and tracking and analytics as well. You can see some other stuff. You can also see the list of fonts used, and also this reCAPTCHA plugin for keeping the bots out and all of those stuff. Okay, so the last website we are going to look at is the largest e-commerce website in Nigeria, that is jumia.com.ng. Okay, quote me wrong if they are the largest e-commerce website anyway, but that's my own opinion. Okay, so let's go on to Jumia and see what Jumia was built on. Let's say you want to create a website like Jumia where you sell your own stuff and the rest of that. You want to borrow some ideas from Jumia to know what platform they are running, because the last time I checked, Jumia was actually running on Magento, but I think they've changed to they've created their own platform now. So Jumia is off the CMS. They used to be on Magento, So when I checked the last time, I think that was 2017 or thereabout. So I saw the CMS being used there, and right now, after doing this search, I've done this search recently. So I just checked. There are some other stuff they do here, like you can see the Facebook conversion tracking, Facebook signal, all this Facebook pixel stuff. This is that annoying feature with Jumia that once you go on to Jumia, you see a product you like, you click on it, look at it, flip images and all of that, interact with that particular product, and for some reason you did not buy that particular product. Then you go on to your social media platform like Facebook or Instagram, and the next thing you see, you start seeing ads on that particular product you saw on Jumia. So they use this conversion tracking to actually determine those people who visited their website who are on Facebook, and Facebook has ID on all its users. We are over 2 billion active users, so Facebook has ID, and it uses this ID to track your activities on the web. So unless you clear your cookies, these activities would keep on coming to play, and you'll be wondering why you are seeing an ad of a product you saw like few minutes ago. So that's just what it is. It uses your ID and your cookies to follow you around the web. So that's why some websites you go to, they have this cookie law that comes up and says we use cookies to optimize our website, accept this. They give you this consent so that you actually know what is going on and how they use your data. Okay, so that's where we'll wrap it up here today. And if you want to see more interesting content like this, please subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be dropping more useful videos like this in the future. Okay, and also if you are thinking of building a website, let's say for your organization or for your business, or you want to sell things online, you can come onto my website www.kennethben.com, click on the contact form here, or the contact menu here. You can fill out the contact form and submit it, and please make sure you enter a phone number. I might change the look of the form later on. Also, you can shoot me an email at hello@kennethben.com, or you call me directly. So I'm based in Lagos, and I also do freelancing as well. So most of the websites I do are for people not just in Nigeria. Also, this is Visions Education is a client from Canada, the study abroad agency, and Apro Unity is an agro supply chain management company that is based in France. So I build websites that are internationally recognized. So do come to my website and leave me a message in the contact section, and I will respond to you as soon as possible. Alright, so that's why I wrap it up for today, or for now. Subscribe to the channel. Don't forget that, hit the bell icon so you get notified. I post helpful content that might help you grow your business and your skill. So you don't want to miss that. Until next time, see you on the next one. Bye.